Hey there and welcome to Flothemes. My name is Polina and I'm super excited to introduce you all to our newest theme, Ember. Ember is a theme that we have created with workshops and event organizers in mind. This is a unique and very special theme. We have packed it with so many sales-driven pages with a lot of layouts to present not only your event schedule, your packages, your speakers, but talk about the process, talk about what to expect. So this is a truly exciting theme that we cannot wait to see in action. So in this video, I will go over some of the page templates that we have packed inside Ember. To be precise, we have 17 page templates inside with 90 plus predefined flex blocks and 30 plus WordPress blocks. What that means for you is that we have page templates that you can take and use them out of the box, or if you feel that there's content that is missing or there is a page that is missing for you, you can use the predefined blocks to create your own pages and your own layouts as such. So let's go ahead and review some of the exciting pages that we have here. This page specifically is for a workshop that would be an offline organized, and we have a main area here at the top going into a bit what's that for, what the workshop is for, talking about the speakers for the event, and going into schedule. So you can present your day one schedule, some more information about the workshop, and then linking people to book now their seat, getting into day two schedule, having a really cool countdown over here, which comes with the theme for you to create some urgency, to share some discounts, talk about some of your partners and label them here. Also talk about a plan and a learning list of benefits, some pricing plans, some perks and goodies, kind words that are featured here from a specific person, FAQ. So as you can see, there's a lot of information, everything that you would need to lay out on a workshop page. And we have a book your seat call to action here. So this is an offline page or an offline event, or a page for an offline event. We also have an online event workshop landing page with the information on and presentation on the event, who is it for, some videos, and some bullet points with deliverables, speakers within the event, how that works specifically, and some pricing and packages, and bullet points, and the organizers, of course, FAQs, and your footer with call to action. So that's just a very different way to showcase that, not having a specific schedule since it's an online event. We have special offers. These are landing pages meant to be used for marketing, to create urgency, to showcase the benefits, to showcase the deliverables, main keywords, stats, and of course having a countdown to create urgency for people, a specific process or specific kind of layout of what will happen in the course, what people will learn, special discounts, presentation of who you are, success stories, pricing plans, FAQs. So as mentioned, these pages are sales driven and they are here to show that. So we have special offer B as well, landing page, where we have the countdown as the main here area at the top, with more information about the workshop, with perks and benefits, with your kind words, highlighting some of those packages, some PDFs to download, FAQs to cover, and a final call to action with discount. So these are the main pages here, but we also have past events. This links into pages with images from past events. So if you want to showcase a bit what has been done previously, you can do that. And then we have more page templates on about the organizer. If you're an individual person behind, you can also share some of the business resources that you use, your podcast, for example, and links to follow you. And if you're a team of individuals, you also have options to showcase that in our About Me page template, present a bit more about yourself and link people into your socials, as well as behind the scenes on the workshop, trusted partners and friends, and a quick call to action at the bottom. We have our event program, which is a specific page with the schedules for you, so you can present everything that's happening after hours, during the day for the event, and just keep covering that in a very easy to digest way. Show your venue and map, and more links over here to download materials and link into our pages. We also have online education, so this is a separate page to present any online courses that you may have and workshops, just to showcase any resources that you're offering online, like the podcast, downloadable resources. So this is more kind of a resources page that is going hand in hand with any events that you may be organizing. We have also a separate template page for individual speakers. If you want to share a bit more about the speakers in your events, you have an option to do that. We have Instagram links page, so a page where you can link people from your social accounts, and Book Now, which covers all of the packages inside the workshop, whether that's an online or offline event, so you can share that on a separate page. We have our contact page to connect for any questions, and finally a thank you page. So whenever either people connect or submit or enroll, you can always lead them into a thank you page where they get a bit more information on what happens next, and cover as well, linking them into other links related to your workshop and to the team that is behind that. So as mentioned, a lot of really cool functionality. We've added a book your seat button here as well, which goes into your landing page, or this can go into external page if you are doing the registration or booking through a third party. So you have all of the tools you need to organize an event and present it online in a very effective way on your website with Ember theme. So now we have seen a bit more of Ember on the front. Let's check what's packed inside. I'm looking here inside Flex Admin of the Ember theme. Here you'll have all of the fonts and the colors that are packed inside this style, and you also have access to control the values of all of the fonts and how they look, both on mobile as well as on both on desktop as well as on mobile. So you can change those values and set specific ones that work for you. You can also add you can also add your own fonts if you have specific fonts for and branding to be used on the site. So you can go ahead and make all of those changes inside the theme. And when we go inside a page, let's go ahead and check our offline event landing page here. We have separate blocks for each of the sections on the side. You'll notice that some of the blocks have a WP label over here, which is a WordPress block. That means it's pulling some WordPress default elements like our menu. And then we have blocks with a flex label here. These are our flex blocks, our predefined flex blocks that you're able to easily add it and adjust. And you can of course easily just reorder the blocks, so create a layout that works for you. And you can add blocks that are WordPress from this add block feature here at the bottom of your layouts. And to add more flex blocks or to access the library of blocks inside of library of predefined flex blocks, you'll add a flex block like so and open the builder, and you'll be able to add them through the blocks option here. So once you access the theme blocks, you'll be able to check them out and just check them out a bit closer, scroll through the blocks and add any of the blocks that you want to use into the block, and then start just editing. You can go ahead and add your own image from your media library. You can go ahead and adjust the text. Here it's presentation of Ember. And what is great about the Flex blocks is that you have all of the flexibility to make changes. So whether you want to have, let's say, a collage of the images here, you can go ahead and add a new image here and just add it up like so. You can make changes on the text and further adjust it, change alignments. You don't have any limitations in this regard, whether that is on desktop or mobile as well. So you can fully change how things look on mobile to control how you present your information fully on mobile devices and how your users experience it on their phones. So basically, you have control how this looks on desktop and mobile. You can also use it out of the box or fully adapted based on your content. So as mentioned, a lot of great functionality packed inside Ember with already great layouts and blocks to cater your needs as an event organizer, presenting everything that you have to offer. So that's pretty much it in terms of Ember and a quick walkthrough. For more details, you can check out Ember's product page related to any questions that you may have, also covered here at the bottom. And if you still have questions, make sure to connect with our team. We're always happy to help and assist, and we're really excited to see your next event hosted online with Ember theme. Thanks, bye.